Showing your dog love is one of the best parts of having a pet. Dogs are loyal and affectionate, and they thrive on the care and attention we give them. There are many ways to express your love for your dog. Cuddling and sleeping with your dog is a wonderful way to show love. It provides comfort, warmth, and security, helping them feel safe and cherished. Studies show that dogs who sleep with their owners are more relaxed and experience less stress. Petting your dog is a simple yet powerful way to show love and affection. Gentle strokes on their head, back, or belly can calm them and make them feel safe. The physical contact strengthens your bond and communicates care and attention. Playing with your dog is a great way to show love and keep them happy. It helps them stay active and engaged while strengthening your bond. It also builds trust and makes them feel loved and appreciated. Talking to your dog in a soft, sweet voice can make them feel loved and secure. Using a gentle tone and affectionate words helps create a comforting atmosphere and strengthens your bond. They may not understand the words, but they can sense the love and warmth in your voice. Respecting and understanding your dog's nature is key to showing them love. For example, if your dog enjoys playing with and biting other dogs, it is normal behavior, and stopping them may make them feel sad. By recognizing their needs and personality, you create a supportive environment that helps them feel safe, loved, and understood. Surprising your dog with their favorite food is a thoughtful way to show them love and make them feel valued. Dogs often feel excitement and joy when they receive something they love. Offer them their favorite treat, lets them know you care about what makes them happy. Just be sure to keep it healthy and in moderation to ensure their well-being. Milk-Bone soft and chewy dog treats are made with real chuck roast and fortified with 12 vitamins and minerals. The soft texture of these treats makes them easy for dogs of all sizes to enjoy. Exploring new spaces with your dog is a great way to show them love. Whether it is a new park, beach, or neighborhood, it gives them exciting experiences and stimulates their senses. It also strengthens your bond as you share these adventures together. This simple care helps create a deep, lasting connection with your dog, leading to a strong, happy bond that lasts throughout their life.